Hello friends, this is Avinash from Quality Education. Friends, this video is on your request on a topic how to make PDF in your mobile. So be with me friends. In this process or for making PDF you can use different applications like I have tab scanner, cam scanner or document scanner. You can use any application. I am showing you video by using an application called tab scanner. So be with me. So friends, just go to the tab scanner. Here you have options like called camera. You can here you can directly click the photos from camera, or you can simply upload via your gallery. So I will show you both option. Like you can go directly to the camera and click photos and directly upload in your what that cap scanner file. And another option is that you can directly select the photos which you already click by your camera. Like I am selecting these photos 1 2 3 4. You have to simply select these photos for making PDF, and then you have to proceed further. Like here is option called apply. Then you have to just adjust or edit these photos according to your choice or preference, and have to proceed further like this. You have to just edit it. This application is also nice, tab scanner. You have to simply edit in this way, and you will see here also you can give the effects like auto, perfect, original, lighten, spark, whatever you want. But you have to make sure that the words whichever in that photos should be clear. You have to adjust or edit the photos in that manner. Okay, then that will simply save your photo, and then you just go to these options available. Like here is save, or you can directly share this to your WhatsApp or different sharing applications. And also here you can give the names. Like I can give this name as mm, how to make PDF demo. This kind of name you can give to this PDF, and simply here you can click the button called save. And here is two options available, like it is PDF and another is image. So you can have both choices. You can select PDF or image, and our videos is basically on the option or topic PDF. That's why I'm selecting here PDF. So by clicking on PDF you just simply have to click on the button call save, and that PDF will be automatically saved in the option called downloads or in your folder. Or you can simply copy this in your internal storage like here. So you can see that the PDF which we now created is directly saved here. This is what a PDF that we recently created, I think. No, sorry, that is not that. This is what that PDF, how to make PDF demo. So in this way you can make PDF, or you can use another application also for this purpose. So I hope you got somewhat idea about PDF, or if you have any other doubt, then you can also comment the same in the comment section. Okay friends, thank you, have a great day.